This is my do-it-yourself road bike carbon fiber frame gold Liverpool FC paint job. Inspired by the normal one, Jurgen Klopp. Scally King, that's my nickname. Liverbird, you never give up, baby. Inspired by Mr. Mo Salah himself. And of course the Liverbird on the front. Liverbird. You never walk alone. Maybe we should call it You Never Ride Alone. And if it ain't gonna be red, it's gonna be gold. It's Liverpool FC. Champions of Europe 6 times. Hey, so here it is, almost done. Just a few things, a new chain, the front wheel. So this is the bike. This is fucking awesome, right? Liverbird, the normal one, and pure gold. Happy? Fucking happy. This is cool, right? You never walk alone. Never give up. And top scorer, Mo Salah. I love it. See ya. Bye.